In this video, I will show you how to connect HubSpot to WordPress step by step. If you want to manage your leads, contacts, and marketing directly from your website without any complicated setup, this tutorial is going to make it very easy for you. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Plugins and click Add New Plugin. In the search bar, type HubSpot and look for the plugin called HubSpot, CRM, email marketing, live chat, forms, and analytics. Click Install now, then activate. After activation, you will see a HubSpot menu added to your WordPress dashboard. Click on it and start the setup process. It will ask you to either sign in or create a new HubSpot account. Log in with your HubSpot credentials. Once you are logged in, your WordPress website is automatically connected to HubSpot. That's it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to our channel.